put it on. I forgot to put it on YouTube. So we're now 4, 5, 6. That can't be right. That can't be right, surely. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Ah. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. No. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3. Wait a minute. We've got some extra stuff. It's an extra 0. So we need to go back the way. Let's see. So now if I go graphics mode, A, B, no, not yet. What have I done wrong? Oh, read B. What am I doing? What am I doing? Right. So we're going to go to line 46. 46. And then we're going to do that. We're going to change that read to B because that's what it is. Now if I've got graphics, if I've got A, it's the full mushroom. No. Why? Why? Port user data. Okay. I should see that stored. N equals 0 to 7. Read B. Port user B. Read B. Next N. That's for data. That was working before. Why is it being a prick? Next N. There's B. There's POC. There's user. We're setting it there. How is that, man? See, look, everyone's in a mushroom. B's bringing up a mushroom though, but it's not bringing up the one we want. So why? N equals B. Maybe if I add to 90, let's try. Oh, fuck. Let's try this. Print. Can't even type today. That's great. Proving difficult. Right. I think I need to tell it what character it is. But then why would it do that? Because it should be just like hey and then hey. Hey and then B. No. Will that randomize? Let's see if it randomizes it. Alright, so it's printing half the mushroom now. But that's purely because it's the last one, isn't it? It's no because it's special or anything, it's because it's the last one. So that goes away, and then we'll just print the normal mushroom. Okay. Why though? For n equals 0 to 7. So that's the full graphic. For a, the next n. Done. That's it. Oh wait a minute, I've got one too many next ends, I think. I think 44 shouldn't be like that. Yeah, get rid of 44. You've already done an next end up there. Right. But then why does it not let me pick the graphic? Oh, it does now. Right. That's what was happening. Right. I knew there was something weird going on. Right. What's the states? Got a full mushroom, a half mushroom, and then someone else. Got to rethink the mushroom scenario. Damn it! I thought I could have it. The sprite. Let's see what the sprite looks like. God, that's not that, is it? That's. Right, let me see the sprite sheet. So I can zoom in and see what states we've got, right? What have we got? The mushroom's got 4 states. Surely not. Cool, so that means I can make another one then. So I could have all 3. Could have all 3. And how would that be? Would that just take that away? 1, 2, 3, and then doof. That might be an idea, eh? Let's see what that does. I got the same thing again. So 4 there's N, paper color, and then N, next N, and then 48. Oh shit, I'm in the graphics edit bit. Shit. 40, what's that again? 40. 48. I need to make 48. What are you doing, you fool? Come on. So once the tunes are off, that's what it is. That's what it is. I'm feeling. Just pick a random one. Whoa, that's good. Right. 48. And we are doing. Oh, what it? Fix that. There we go. It's better. We're fixing to do another graphic. I'm guessing C is going to be 146. So we'll do C, so 4N. 4N equals 0, 2. Showing the whole thing. 49. Read. Read and read C. So we're going to read C key. I'm pretty sure that's what that's doing. User. Yeah. And then we're going to make it the C key. For the C key, then we're going to hit plus and doodle-dum Z. Job done. And then for line 50, we're going to do our next N. Job done. Now, graphics mode. We've got an A. We've got a B. We've got a C. No, we've not got a C. Why have we not got C? Because C's not been written yet. And C needs to have the data. The data needs to be at C, so we're going to read that. 63. So I need to do data at 63. Damn, I don't want that. I do want that though, eventually, but I don't want that now. Data. Right, and we need a 0, and then we need a 56. 0. That's 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. That's it now. Job done. So now graphics mode should have all 3 states of the mushroom, please. Not yet. Why? Next 10. Poke user B and B. For N equals C. Poke user C. Next N. 3. Front user next N. Let's draw an A. Oh, it's drawing the character that's set to A. Border 0 paper. Front equals 0. Design B. Poke user B. There's nothing different there. Read C. Read B. Read C. Next N. It's a bit strange that, isn't it? So we've got a graphics, we've got A, we've got a B, we've not got a C for some reason. Why have we not got a C? Capital C there, plus N, next N, 4, 3 next N's is doing the exact same thing. that to me should be showing that, and it's not. There's some weird stuff going on. Somehow it's nailed to B. I don't know what that is. Or how random it's bringing up random. Point, pig. Pig. Big. Point. Where's point coming from? What's up here? Graphics mode's a bit weird there. Either way, that should be doing that, and the C. Why are you not setting it to C? The data's there, look. The data's there. You've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Ah, no, why? You've only got 7 because you've counted it wrong. Moron. Right. 63. We've not got 1 0, and I can't count. There we go. And now with the graphics, it should make sense. A, B, C. No, why not? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. No, but 9 now. It would have been too easy if it was just the counter that messed me up. What we've got 0, 56, 120, 0, 30, 120. And we've got 1, 2, 5 zeros after that. 1, 2. Right, so 1 too many. Yeah, 1 too many. Oh shit, what was that? 63. Death. Do I need to comment it? What do I gotta do? 0, 56, 120, 0, 0, then 5 zeros. 0, 56, 120, 0, 0, 0. There's 5 zeros. No bother, that should be set. Yeah, 8. 8. It's all 8. Everyone 0 to 7, which is 8. Read C. Read B. Read C. Put user C. End C. Should be doing it. Should be doing it. Don't understand that. I've changed the letter. Change the letter with the date. It's like C maybe. It was a bit silly because I thought that would have worked. Right, okay, we'll make that S. Probably a stupid way doing it, but we'll try it. And that goes to there, let me change that to S. Maybe it just doesn't like C. No, it just doesn't like that third graphic for some reason. There'll be something going on with that. Something going on with that, I don't work that out. Why are you liking that? It's the same setup. It's the same setup. Exact same. Character gets printed randomly from the main try that again. Okay, so that's fine. Nope. Yep, let's try that. Oh, it's got it now. It's got it now. Don't know what that's all about. It's like it needs to have a... Right, so now if I change that to back to... Oh, God, say that was stupid, wasn't it? What a bit of a bug that is. The music's a bit dread, isn't it? Let's turn that down a bit. Now run it. Oh, it's been a wee while. What changed that? That's not really that great. That's better. Wrapping up in a bit anyway. I've done a wee while. Been on for too long, and I've realised I've just forgot to tell the YouTube that I was playing, that was going live. So 3 graphic states. Mushroom is like that, then it goes like that, then it goes like that, and then it goes away. So 3 hit states, and then it goes to blank. That's what we're going to do next, hopefully. Maybe tomorrow, maybe, I don't know. Gonna need to put the shooting back in. Give the mushroom states. They'll need an array to contain the state. So they'll have the 3 user-defined graphics on that, so when they get hit, when it gets hit, poof, it'll change the graphic, which means we can get rid of mushrooms, which would be quite cool. So hoping to get that next time. But thanks for watching if you watched, and yeah, fuck that up big still. I was messing about with stuff. Had an idea about trying to print inside a print, but it didn't work like that. You can only have ink once. I thought I could do sneaky tricks, but then that's why it's not been done. So that's that. But I do like the graphic of the mushroom. It actually looks alright. It looks not bad like that. It still looks like the mushroom, and it's also because it's got a gap. It's amazing what the black gap does. Because when it's full up it looks weird. And the outline's really smart. But then you have to kind of maintain that. So this is kind of like us trying to do it. Get the point where that can move left and right. I need to get it so I can go the full screen as well. So I don't know if that is 125. Random is 32. Let's turn the 32 then. That's maybe a bit far. So let's. Right, I don't want 32 because that's right at the cusp. So we want maybe a 30. That's better. Ties into the playfield a bit better. And if I maybe don't put 75 mushroom or 25 mushroom, maybe like 35. That may be maybe enough. So if we go 35, maybe the show. Especially if slowdown kicks in, because if it's going to be a case of than that, more than that. 45. Because if a centipede comes down there, it's got to hit stuff. So it's got a bit to travel there. But the more mushrooms, the better to begin with. 55. That looks about right. That looks about right. Then we get it to know the state. So every mushroom's going to have a state. Or there's going to be one array that has the mushrooms in it, and it knows each state. So when we shoot the mushroom, if we get so many away, say we get like 2, 3, 4, 5, we take 5 away, then the flea's going to turn up and then drop more in a row. It'll fall towards the character that's shooting. But move kind of slow, then speed up. And as it's doing that, it drops the mushrooms to fill the gap up. That's what we're going to do. And every time we're going to change the mushroom color. Line 81 can change. As bright is not needed. That is a non-thing for me right now, the bright, so don't need that. It's been smart. I thought I could layer things up. But it does not work like that. I need to read more books, so that's the answer to that. I think 5. So now the mushroom will change to blue. Yeah, it's cool. I think we can do this. I like that colour there, that's a really nice colour. Not as good as 6, which is magenta, I think. Oh no, it's yellow! Wow. So what's 7 then? Should really try and do the colours, that's what we should have done. I think 7. Seven's white. Right, okay. And there's 1 black then. Oh, I don't want to do this. I've got a bad feeling. In fact, let's just look it up. Oh, 3, okay. Okay, let's do 3. Three's magenta. Oh, that's cool. That's pretty cool. So if I put bright in, I like the colour on that. How do we do that then? How does bright work? Okay. How do we use bright then? Ink. Bright. Okay, so we need a bright one on that there. And then we'll see what that does. Oh God, come on. It's a bit brighter, right? Flash one. Cool, you can see the pattern, that's cool. So it's just gone from black to... Oh, that's going to be annoying. Turn that right off. Let me turn the flash off. How can we do that? We have to get rid of that like that. No, it's stuck on it. Bastard. How do we turn the bright off? Flashing even, sorry. Oh, right, okay, I know, right. I've got this. I've got this now. flashing the whole thing. There we go, done. And then we go run, and that'll stop it. Come on. There we go. Okay, so the flash is going. Right. Very cool colours though. Very smart. I don't know if it's worth saving this. Oh, actually, it is worth saving this. It is worth saving this because of the. Yeah, it's worth saving. Mushroom. I'm just gonna call it mushroom. The mushroom. Mushroom has been saved. That could go on forever, that. Nice and peaceful. Oh my god. I got my Back to the Future moment going on. Come on. Stop it. There we go. Right. We'll finish off on our R-Type. It's got a counter, isn't that cool? That screen's awesome as well. Stop the tape. Quick. Right. Down, 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 down. Here we fucking go. I just broke it. I've just broke it. Physically broke it. Oh, come on, R-Type. Search for level 1. Oh, didn't like that, did it? Didn't like that at all. Let's see what feud looks like. Doodle-doodle-doodle. Boom. Okay. Well, okay, usuals. Okay. Huge sprite, that, isn't it? Mad Sage. I've picked up Mad Sage. Does that mean I can make the... Take out the buttons, or should we look at the buttons? That'd have been cool. But yeah, I should really go to bed. That's way late as usual. Thanks for jumping in and watching if you have, and I will catch you at some other point. Ta-ra.